So let's get started. Question number 1 from worksheet number 3. Sorry, mundu worksheet cheddam. Have a look at the worksheet number 3. Question number 1. If one root of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is 3 minus 4i, then 31a plus b plus c is option 1 0, option 2 2a, option 3 2b, option 4 2c. So clearly we need to identify that. So what I am given the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So one root already given, 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. One root of a complex number, 3 minus 4i. Its conjugate nothing but 3 plus 4i must be also a root. Am I clear? So let me take in, this is alpha value, this is a beta value. So let me take in here alpha value 3 minus 4i. So 1 is a complex number, its a consecutive part, nothing but 3 plus 4i must also a root of the given equation. So here what I am asking, question find the 31a plus b plus c equal to. So first one we need to find a, b, c value. Am I clear? So firstly, what I am given, alpha value 3 minus 4i, beta value 3 plus 4i. So let me take in sum of the roots. Sum of the roots nothing but alpha plus beta equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. Am I clear? So product of the roots nothing but alpha into beta equals to c by a. This is the formulas. We know alpha plus beta, alpha value 3 minus 4i plus beta value 3 plus 4i equals to minus b by a. Here minus 4i plus 4i cancel, 3 plus 3, 6 equal to minus b by a. Therefore, a can be written, b can be written. So minus b equal to 6a. 6 equal to minus b by a. Therefore, 6a equals to minus b. 6a equals to minus b. 6a equals to minus b. Or b equal to minus 6a. B equal to minus 6a. It can be written b equals to minus 6a. So that is a b value. Am I clear? 6a equal to minus b. Therefore, b can be written minus 6a. Both are same. Here alpha beta. Alpha into beta c by a. Alpha beta. So they are multiplied together. Nothing but 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i equal to c by a. A minus b, a plus b formula, a square minus b square, nothing but 3 square. A value 3, b value 4i. Whole square equals to c by a. It can 3 square value 9, 9 minus 4i square, 4 square value 16, 16 into I square equal to c by a. Am I clear? So I square value, since I square value you know that in complex I square value minus 1. Am I clear? So substitute I square value minus 1, it can be written as 9 minus 16 into minus 1 equals to 9 minus 16 into minus 1 equal to c by a. C by a. So 9 minus into minus plus 16 equal to c by a. 9 plus 16 25, 25 equal to c by a. Therefore, c can be written 25a. 25 into a according to cross multiplication. But question what I am asking, 31a plus b plus c value. 31a plus b plus c value asking at final. So 31 into a. So 31 into a plus b value already got. B value minus 6a. B replaced by minus 6a. Minus 6a plus c value 25a. 25a into a. It can be written 31a plus into minus 6a plus 25a. What is the positive values here? 31a plus 25a. 30. What is total? 56a minus 6a. 50a. Am I clear? 31a plus 25, 56a. 31a plus 25a, 56a minus 6a, 50a. Total value. But is it given 50 answer? No. But it will be given. So clearly we need to understand. It can be written 50a can be written 2 into 25a. 2 into 25a. But 25a value c. C value 25a, nothing but 2 into c. So 31a plus b plus c equal to 2c. 2c already given. Option 4 is the right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. if 3 plus 4i is a root of x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 and root 3 minus 2 is a root of x square plus cd plus d equal to 0, then first option a less than c less than d less than b, second option a less than d less than c less than b, third option a greater than c greater than d greater than b, fourth option a greater than d greater than c greater than b. So clearly we need to understand here two polynomial equations given. What is the first one? X square plus ax plus b equal to 0, capital A into x plus capital B equal to 0, x square plus capital A x plus capital B equal to 0. Second one, x square plus capital C into x plus d equal to 0, two polynomial equation. But in that part, first 3 plus 4i is a root of first quadratic equation. So this is it will be considered as alpha. So what is beta? 1 root is a complex number. 3 plus 4i is a complex number. Its conjugate 3 minus 4i must also be a root. Am I clear? So here alpha value 3 plus 4i, beta value. So let alpha value what I am taken 3 plus 4i. So conjugate part 3 minus 4i also be a root. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So here sum of the roots alpha plus beta formula minus b by a, minus b nothing but this is x coefficient minus a by x square coefficient 1. So alpha plus beta what I am getting minus a. Am I clear? So next one alpha plus beta, okay, and alpha into beta, alpha plus beta nothing but alpha value 3 plus 4i, beta value 3 minus 4i. So alpha value, beta value substitute in that equation. So equals to minus a. So plus 4i minus 4i cancel, 3 plus 3 6 equal to minus a. Therefore a equal to minus 6, a value minus 6. What I am getting? A value minus 6. Am I clear? So second equation I will solve later. But next one. So here sum of the roots, how much sum of the root already alpha plus beta equal to minus a, already solved, a equal to minus 6. Now what is the product of the roots? Alpha into beta equal to formula c by a. Here c nothing but constant value b by a nothing but x square coefficient 1. Alpha beta, alpha value 3 plus 4i into beta value 3 minus 4i equals to b. So a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square. This is a general formula. What is the formula? 3 square minus 4i whole square equals to b. 3 square value 9 minus 4i square. 4 square value 4i whole square. 4 square 16 i square. This is I square. 4i whole square can be written 16 i square equal to b. But I square value you know that in complex number minus 1. Am I clear? So I square value substitute in that equation. So 9 minus 16 into minus 1 equal to b. So minus into minus plus nothing but 9 plus 16 equal to b. Therefore b equals to 25. So that is a b value. Am I clear? So next one, what is the second quadratic equation here? X square plus cd, x square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So this is a second equation. But in that second equation, root 3 minus 2 is the one of the roots of the second quadratic equation. So what I am given here, let me take in gamma and beta. Gamma and beta are roots of the gamma and delta. What I am taking? Gamma and delta are roots of the second quadratic equation, x square plus cd plus d equal to 0. But here gamma. So gamma value already given root 3 minus 2. So one of the roots of the second quadratic equation what I am given root 3 minus 2. Here in that part root 3 is a irrational number, but negative only apply for the irrational number. So what is another this root 3 minus 2 is a root, one of the roots of the given quadratic equation. So what is the conjugative part? Minus root 3 plus minus 2 is a gamma value. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that. So root 3 minus 2 is a root of x square plus cd plus cx plus d equal to 0. Quadratic equation x square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So let me take in gamma, but already alpha beta already used for the first equation. That's why I am taking here gamma and delta. So root 3 minus 2 in that rational value, root 3 is a irrational part. Root 3 is a irrational number. So the conjugative value of irrational only applicable for minus. Minus value only applicable for irrational part. So what is another root? Minus root 3 minus 2. Don't take in plus 2. Am I clear? So here sum of the roots. So gamma plus delta equals to what is the formula? Sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Nothing but here x coefficient b value c given minus c by x square coefficient 1. So here root 3. So what is the product of the roots? Gamma into delta equals to c by a. What is the c value here? Constant value d by a x square coefficient 1. So all gamma and delta values substitute in that sum of the roots and in product of the roots. So you will get alpha that here gamma value root 3 minus 2, delta value minus root 3 minus 2 equal to minus c. So plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel, minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus c. Therefore c equals to 4. C value 4. In that second part, so product of the roots equal to d. So gamma value root 3 minus 2 into delta value minus root 3 minus 2 equal to d. So it can be written root 3 minus 2. So simplify that equation. Root 3 into minus root 3 minus root 3 whole square minus root 3 into 2. 2 into root 3 minus into minus plus 2 into root 3 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 equal to d. So minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. So it can be written root 3, square root cancel, minus 3 plus 4 equal to d. Am I clear? Therefore d equals to minus 1. D equals to minus 1 or plus 1? Sorry, plus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 value plus 1. D equal to 1. So clearly we need to understand D value 1, C value 4, B value 25, A value 6, minus 6, only negative value. But here it can be written A value minus 6, B value 25, what I am getting? A value minus 6, B value 25 and C value what I am getting? C value 4 and D value plus 1. So clearly we need to understand, it can be written in ascending order. A is less than, so nothing but minus 6 is a smallest value, next smallest value D 1, next smallest value 4, next one 25. It can be written in ascending order, minus 6, 1, 4, 25. Minus 6 nothing but A, 1 value nothing but D. So A less than D. Again it can be written in ascending order, A less than D and 4 nothing but C less than D. What is the B value? So this is a required answer, A less than D less than C less than B. Option 2 is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 3. If one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are integers, is root 5 plus 3. So one root of the equation is root 5 plus 3, then the other root is option 1 root 3 minus 3, root 5 minus 3, option 2 3 minus root 5, option 3 minus 3 minus 5, option 4 2 root 5 plus 3. So clearly we need to verify it. One of the root given a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So one of the root already given. What is the one of the roots? Root 5 plus 3. Also it can be written 3 plus root 5. Root 5 plus 3 or 3 plus root 5. So in that part root 5 is a irrational part. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that one of the root of quadratic equation is 3 plus root 5. The other root is 3 minus root 5. So minus value, negative part only applicable for irrational part. Am I clear? So 3 plus 5. So clearly we need to understand one of the root of the quadratic equation is 3 plus root 5. Then the other b, it's a conjugate, that is root 3 minus root 5. So this is a conjugate part. Okay na? Am I clear? So root 5 plus 3, or it can be written 3 plus root 5. So one of the root of the quadratic equation. So what is then the other b? It's a conjugate. So what is the conjugate part? 3 minus root 5 must be a root. So which option is right answer? So other root asking 3 minus root 5. Option 2 is right answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 4. If 4 minus I root 3 is a root of a quadratic equation, then the equation is option 1 x square minus 8x plus 13 equal to 0. Option 2 x square minus 8x plus 19 equal to 0. Option 3 x square minus 8x minus 13 equal to 0. Option 4 x square minus 8x minus 19 equal to 0. So clearly we need to notice that 4 minus I root 3, or it can be written root 3 into I. Both are same. So it is one of the root is a complex number. One of the root is a complex number of the quadratic equation. Its conjugate to nothing but 4 plus root 3 into I must also be a root. So let me take in this is alpha value, it is a beta value. Am I clear? Yes. So clearly we know to notice that sum of the roots nothing but alpha plus beta value, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, what is the alpha plus beta? Sum of the roots, alpha plus beta, nothing but it can be written 4 minus root 3 into I plus 4 plus root 3 into I. This is a sum of the roots, alpha plus beta. First one we have to find alpha plus beta value. So alpha plus beta value, nothing but alpha value 4 minus root 3 into I, beta value 4 plus root 3 into I. So plus root 3 into I minus root 3 into I cancel, 4 plus 4, 8. So that is alpha plus beta value. Next one we need to find product of the roots. Product of the roots. What is the formula? Product of the roots, nothing but alpha into beta. That is the formula. Alpha into beta equals to alpha value 4 minus root 3 into I into beta value 4 plus root 3 into I. So alpha into beta nothing but product of the roots. Alpha plus beta sum of the roots. So this is a minus b, a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Root 3 into I whole square. Also it can be written 4 square value 16 minus root 3 I whole square, root 3 I whole square. Root 3 I whole square it can be written as 3 into I square. Root 3 and square cancel. 16 minus 3 I square. So we know that I square value minus 1. In complex number I square value minus 1, put into that put the place of I square, it can be written 16 minus 3 into minus 1. So 16 minus into minus plus 3 equal to 19. So that is alpha into beta value. So alpha into beta value, so 19. Alpha plus beta value 8. But question what I am asking, general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, what is the general form? The general form of a quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So it can be written x square minus alpha plus beta value. Alpha plus beta value 8, nothing but 8x plus alpha into beta 19 equal to 0. So this is a final equation. This is the required answer. X square minus 8x plus 19 equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 19 equal to 0. Option 2 is the right answer. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.